What's up, guys? I'm glad to have you back. So right now I am on the ByTrading app, okay? And in this video I'll be showing you a step-by-step strategy on how you can basically earn money properly on the ByTrading platform, okay? So I started talking about this update about few months ago, and since then I keep getting a lot of questions about it, and different people have been asking me to share different strategies on how they can earn properly, okay? So today I'll be sharing a new one that actually works for me. So I would like you to watch this video to the end so that I can get the full basic details on how to do this, okay? I'll show you how to fund your account and how to also trade on the ByTrading platform, all right? And also, before we get started, as we all know, crypto actually entails risk, okay? So this video is going to be for educational purpose only, and we are going to be diving into the ByTrading platform, only diving with what you can afford to risk, because it involves you trading crypto and funds, okay? So with that said, without wasting much of your time, let's dive into the process right away. So to get started, I'll be dropping the link to the ByTrading platform in the comment section down below, okay? Once you click on the link, it will bring you to this sign up page where you can sign up by putting in your phone number here, you put in your Telegram username, you put in your phone number again, then your email address right here. A verification code will be sent to that email, and afterwards you put in your password and my invite code will be appearing right here. Then you click on the sign up button, okay? So basically, once you sign up, you're going to have your home page this way. So I'm going to come here to mine right here, and I'm going to top up my account, okay? So to top up, I'll click on the top up button right here. So you can actually top up through cryptocurrency, or you can top up through your local currency if your country's currency is here, okay? So my country's currency is here. I'm going to be topping up through the local currency, all right? But let's say you want to top up using your USDT or TRX, you can easily do that by selecting your TRC20 here. Then you put in the amount you want to top up it. You can deposit from as low as 10 USDT and above, okay? But if you're using the local currency option, I'll select it this way. So I'm going to be topping up the NGN. So I will select the minimum amount right here, which is 15,000. You can actually fund with more balance if you want to right here, okay? Depending on the amount you can afford to risk on this platform, okay? So I'm going to be going with the minimum deposit to show you how this works. So I'll click on the top up button right here, okay? Then it will take you directly to a payment gateway like this, where you'll be given a bank account and also a narration right here, okay? So you're also to copy this narration here because you're going to be using it. So I'm going to head over to my bank app now. I'm going to put in the account details, then put in the amount I want to deposit. Then right here where we have narration, I'm going to copy this code right here and actually paste it here. Then I'll click on the proceed button and then put in my password. And here we go, it says successful, okay? So I'm going to come back here now, and then I'm going to click on I have made this bank transfer. So right here, they'll ask for your payer account and payer's name. So this is also necessary if you're using the bank transfer method to fund, okay? So I'm just going to put that in here. And afterwards, I'll click on submit payment information. So sometimes you might actually submit your payment information and it might pop up this page, but not to worry, just click on the OK file, then come back to your ByTrading and refresh your account, and you can see it has been funded right here. If I come here to asset details, you can see this was the deposit I just made right now, okay? So deposit came in and it was successful. So don't really mind that error message in my pop-up, as your deposit will still arrive, okay? So 15K was actually 11 USDT and it has arrived into my wallet. Now the next thing is how to use this to actually trade and earn, okay? So to trade and earn using this new strategy I'll be explaining, you're going to come here to this particular section where you have the ETH/USDT, okay? Because you're going to be trading the red and the green, okay? And you're going to be trading the 3-minute red green, all right? So this time around, you're not trading the 1 minute, you'll be trading the 3-minute right here, okay? And another thing that will make this to be effective is when you come to your home page right here, if you click on where you have calculator, okay, you have the BTC and you have the ETH right here. You're going to select the ETH, okay? Then you're going to come here and select the 2.1x. So it's usually at the 2.5x, but you select the 2.1x right here. Then right here where you have step 8, you leave it at step 8, okay? So we're trading the 8 phase calculator here. Then right here, I'm going to put in my capital. So I have a capital of 11 USDT, right? So I'll put it right here, and it will automatically calculate this and give me a management table that I can use to actually help me trade effectively right here, okay? So basically, the table is telling me that for my first period, I should go with a trade amount of 0.032, and I get to make a net profit for each wins I make using this calculator of 0.03 net profit. Okay. And one important thing about using this calculator is that if you use this and if there's a situation where you lose your funds while trading, you're going to get compensated just because you used this calculator right here. And that is why I'm showing you this strategy. Okay. So if your capital is more, you can also impute it right here. Let's say 100 USDT, you get to make a net profit of 0.27 USDT using it for each win you get. Okay. So that is one thing you need to have at the back of your mind. So what I'm going to do now is to impute my initial capital, which is 11 USDT in this case. Then I'll screenshot this and keep it in another tab. Okay. I'll keep it open in another tab. Then next thing I'm going to do is to come back here to this ETH section. Now, the next thing you will need for this is a signal group. So you're going to be trading the 3-minute section right here, and you'll be using the 3-minute signal group. Okay, so I'll be dropping that signal group in the comment section down below. Okay, so this is the signal group right here, and so far trying it out, it has actually have a very good win rate. Okay, and it is for the 3-minute phase. Okay, so to use this signal group is not hard. The signal is usually given this way, telling you the period ID and the color to select. Okay, so coming back here now, for this particular one, make sure you select the 3 minutes right here and select the color, which is in this case according to the signal color green. Okay, then right here where you have trade amount, we're going to put in the amount we're going to use to enter this trade, and we're going to go back to our calculator. So it says for the first phase we should go with 0.032. okay, so I'm going to come here, impute 0.032. all right, then I'm going to click on the trade button right here. So I'll click on confirm, and it says purchase success. All right, now to actually view your trade, you come right here where you have my order here, and you get to see your waiting trade. All right, so we're going to be waiting for this countdown to be over, and we'll check out the results. So here we go with the results. Okay, and this is it here. We actually got a red while we selected a green. Okay, but not to worry, this is why we're using the signal group right here. So the signal group actually notified that that last period was a loss, and the next one says we should go with a red. All right, so we'll come back here now. Okay, then we'll select a red, and then here where we have the trade amount, we're going to come back to our calculator, and this time around we are using the second period, which says we should go with 0.067. okay, so we're going to come here now, and we're going to impute the amount 0.067. all right, then we're going to click on the trade button right here and confirm this. So it says purchase successful. So let's wait for this countdown to see the results. So here we go with the results, and we got a red this time around, which means we won that round. So if I click on my order right here, so you can see that that was actually a win. Okay, so we basically won that round, and this was the amount we entered with, and we're able to recover the previous amount we lost with this profit and actually make extra profit with it. Okay, so coming back here now, make sure you're still on the 3 minutes like this, because sometimes when you refresh your page, it switch over to 1 minute. Okay, so we're going to come back here to the signal group. I've missed some couple of signal because of my network. Okay, so the next one says we should go with a green. Okay, so I'll come back here now, I'll select a green, and I'll come back to my calculator. Now this time around, I'll be starting all over from the first period right here, which is trading with 0.032. okay, so I'll come back now. That's after a win, you reset. All right, so I've imputed it this way. I'm going to click on the trade amount and we'll confirm this. So purchase successful. Let's see the results after this countdown. And here we go. All right, so guys, here's the result, and we got a red instead of a green. Okay, so sometimes this could happen like this, and they will always notify you in the signal group. So basically this is why we use the calculator. So coming on to the next signal, says we should still go with a green. So I'll come back here, I'll select a green like this. Then this time around, I'll be going with the second period on my calculator, which is 0.067, right? So coming here, we'll impute that. So I'm basically showing you this step by step, and I'm using a capital of 11 USDT because most of the questions I've gotten are within this range. Okay, so people have come to ask me questions like, if they have a capital of about 10 to 20 USDT, how could they earn effectively on the ByTrading platform? Okay, so in as much as that amount of capital might not give you enough profit as you expect per wins is actually something that if you actually trade this and you get 8 consecutive loss following this calculator the way it is, you're going to be compensated 100% of your funds back. Okay, so I'll be dropping a customer care link in the comment section down below that I can contact for this compensation. All right, so this is why I'm using this amount of capital to actually show you how it might be if you're using that. So in my previous videos, we've used 50 USDT, 70 USDT and above to show you. So let's wait for this countdown to be over, guys. And here we go with the countdown. So here's the result, and we actually won that round. If I click on my order right here, you can see we also won that round. Okay, but the main thing is that let your wins help you recover your losses and also make more extra profit for you. All right, so that's basically how you can do this with this calculator and this signal group. I don't want to make this video too lengthy. I would have taken more trades, but if you go through the signal group history, you get to know how many consecutive number of loss they might have. And in a situation where there's a lot of consecutive number of loss up to the 8th phase, all you need to do is to pause, screenshot your calculator like this, and also come back here, click on my order right here, click on the 3 minutes that you're trading, and screenshot all your previous trades that you started with and send it to the customer care link that I'll be dropping in the comment section below, and you'll be refunded back your funds. Okay, now the next question that I usually get again is how to withdraw, and also if withdrawals on the platform actually work. Now to withdraw is quite easy. You click on the withdraw button here, so you can withdraw from at least 10 USDT also. Okay, and another thing about ByTrading Platform is that there is no withdrawal requirement. Okay, even if you deposit right now, you can withdraw your funds anytime you want to. Okay, so when you click on withdraw, you put in the amount you want to withdraw. So let's say I want to withdraw 10 USDT. Okay, so I'll put it right here, and I'll be charged a fee of 1 USDT. So let me just make it about 11. I don't know if we can add decimal. Okay, we can do that also. So let's make it 11.7 USDT. So I'll click on the withdraw button here, and it says withdrawal application successful. So that's because I also have my withdrawal address already added here. Okay, so you will need to add your TRC20 wallet address. Okay, and your withdrawal method is via USDT using the TRC20 network. Okay, so it has been deducted from my account right here, and it is currently processing here. Okay, so I'll just give this time to arrive. So I'm just going to give this time to actually arrive into my wallet. And here we go. I just got a deposit notification. So let's open this. And looking at the last deposit I just received right here, here's the 10.7 USDT I just withdrew from the ByTrading platform. And this is the time and date it arrived. Okay, so basically, as you can see, withdrawals also work smoothly on this platform. Okay, so that's basically a new strategy you can try out to earn right here on the ByTrading platform. I'll also be dropping previous strategies that I've tried out that have also worked for me in the description section of this video in case you might want to check it out. Okay, and also you get 10% bonus on your first deposit on this platform. To do that, you click right here on this gift box here, so you have the daily recharge rebate. Okay, so this is on a daily basis something, and right here you can go through all the requirements and the bonus levels. Okay, so if you find this very helpful, please don't leave without smashing the like button and subscribe to this channel, and I'm going to be seeing you guys on my next update. Have a nice day. Bye.